how to add films to a list in Letterboxd. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to add films to a list in Letterboxd, whether you want to create a favorite list, a themed collection, or a ranked movie list. This quick guide will help you do it easily. Let's get started. First, open up a browser and head over to the Letterboxd website. Now, make sure that you're logged in into your account. Then tap on your profile picture or your profile name, and you can see the list option. Go ahead and tap on it. Here, you'll find all of the lists that you have created. Now, choose a list where you want to add the films. Tap on it, and then uh, here you can tap on edit or delete this list on the right hand side. And then you can see add a film option. Just type the name of the movie that you want to add, and then you just need to tap on the name and then it will be added. So like this, you can just keep on entering the name of the film and add it. And then you can even arrange the list like this. You can move the list up and down according to your preferred order. So that's it. That's how you add films to a list in Letterboxd. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy tutorials. See you in the next video.